Dear Jess, an hour or so from Barcelona along the A2 autopista to Lleida and Madrid lies the town of Tarrega. With the pre-Pyrenean ridges as a backdrop, I've plonked myself a kilometre outside the town to cook a traditional old Catalan combination of meatballs with peas and artichokes, straight from the authentic hand of the master Josep Lladenosa. His rules, traditional Catalan cookery, often regarded as the best-kept culinary secret of Europe. Cookery based on solid, technical foundations with the highest regard for quality ingredients and tradition. So this is what I've got for the meatballs, a mixture of ground lean pork and beef, as well as raw panceta, pork belly, bread soaked in milk, an egg, some chopped parsley, chopped garlic, flour for coating the balls, and canela, which is, I never remember in English, cinnamon. Now for the sauce and the veg, we use a bit of that. Steady on, please. Peas. I've got the finest local pink onions from Figueras. Any white cooking variety will do. Tomato pulp, grated or from a jar, is fine. Artichokes. And absolutely essential is the typical Catalan picada, the pasty, nutty, last-minute addition to sauces that gives them texture and a final kick of flavour. Picadas are many and varied. This one is simply almonds, saffron, and if available, these Catalan biscuits known as carxofes. Commonly, though, just a slice of baguette-style bread fried golden in olive oil is used, so don't worry about the carxofes at all. So for the meatballs mixture, the first thing we're going to do is chop up garlic and parsley really finely. Squeeze out the milk from the soaked bread. Generous with the cinnamon. An egg. And plenty of seasoning. As someone said, the two most important kitchen utensils are attached to your arms. You can't mix up meatballs with a wooden spoon, so get in there. Get your fingers dirty. And fried till golden in a good slug of finest Spanish olive oil. Once thoroughly coloured all over, set them aside as we make the sauce. A chopped onion gently fried in the same oil. Garlic a few minutes later. Then the tomato, which is allowed to reduce until thick and really quite jammy. Giving one time to clean and prepare the carxofes. Be sure to hold them in water with a little lemon juice to avoid them turning black in the air. So with the tomato mixture now quite thick, the wine is added and allowed to reduce right down as well. Then the water or stock is added and cooked for a good 10 minutes, during which the picada is prepared, with a drop of wine to help form a paste. This is incorporated along with the peas and the artichokes and given a final half an hour or until the artichokes are soft. So having respectfully followed Josep Lladenosa's guidelines to the letter, I feel confident that the Mandonguilles meatballs will turn out just right. So tasty, with plenty of cinnamon coming through and a very slight nutty crunch from the picada in the sauce. These Catalans really do know a thing or two about flavour. As usual, please drop me a like, as I'm constantly being told this channel is underperforming, and apparently leaving a like works wonders. And do subscribe in order to keep following me on my quest to catalogue all the regional classics from the back roads of France, Spain and Portugal. Bon profit!